Green arrow, go, stupid, go. Green arrow, go, get off the sensor, you're holding us up. Thank you. Could you lean any closer to the steering wheel, dear? You exit dive and turn. Stop. Stop. Jesus Christ, kids. Stop. Stop. Oh, yeah, jump on the cube. I know you are. Uh-huh. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Jump the queue, as predicted. Scumbags. Yes, you're going this way. God, team, close. Stop. 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 No one wants to stop, huh? Okay. No one wants to stop. You gonna stop? Stop sign, you stop. Watch the lane, stupid. That was not a yield, Mr. Prius. Don't exit dive, I mean, what are you doing? Exit regret. Nope, not supposed to be in that lane. Been a while. Anybody learn how to stop at the stop sign since I've been here last? Probably not. There we go. Roll it. Trick to the left lane, Toyota. Dang. Wait a second. Hold on. Do you just make a U-turn to make a U-turn? Made a U-turn to make a U-turn. Okay. Make up your mind, dummy. Can all you assholes go home? Okay. U-turn dive. Yep. Oh, bypass. Bypass hole. Next stop left. Muscle. Red light runner. And we're in the red. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, there's a car there, stupid. Hey, how you doing? Sheep. It's a big one. Wake up. What? Hey, you're rubbing there, dude. I don't think that's good. What? Boston traffic? I don't care. I don't care at all anymore. Hi, how you doing? No, hey, Grandma. Let me stop at the stop sign. Nope. Stop sign, stop sign, stop sign, stop sign. Jesus. I don't think it's legal U-turn either, New Yorker. Thank you. Covered bridge. Bartonsville, Vermont. Uh-oh. Oh my, he's moving. Get out of the way, SUV! Get out of the effing way. Yeah, wake up. Boom. Wake up. What are the chances that's a Toyotard? It's a Toyotard.
5 minutes later.
Oh, what? Boy. Again? Something's going on in small town New Hampshire. And the Toyotard is still not getting out of the way. Get out of the way, Toyotard. Get out of the way, Toyotard. Get out of the way, Toyotard. There's a car approaching, Toyotard. Obviously, you don't use your rearview mirror.
At the roundabout, take the first exit to Dublin Road.
Is that a cutoff? Yes, it's a stop sign. Thank you, Toyotard. Stop, 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 stop. You. No.